Now, what if you want to add a person to your Google Meet video conference while it's in progress? There are two ways to do this. The first is by sharing your Google Meet joining information. Click the Meeting Details button, then click Copy Joining Info and paste it into an email or chat to the person you want to join you in the Google Meet video meeting. Alternatively, you can use the People icon. Click the People icon, then click Add People. From here, you can choose to invite people by email, or you can call the person's phone number. If you call someone, Google Meet dials the person's phone number, and if they answer, joins them to the meeting's audio. If your meeting has been scheduled from a calendar event, or if your meeting has a nickname, the event title or nickname is displayed on the screen. Meeting participants outside of your Google Workspace domain might not be able to join meetings, even if they're invited. This is due to an administrator configuration. If you have questions, contact your Google Workspace administrator.